O is for orange. O is for owl. Well done. Tap the picture that starts with letter V. V is for violin. V is for van. Well done. Tap the picture that starts with letter Y. Y is for yak. Y is for yarn. Well done. Tap the picture that starts with letter K. K is for kangaroo. K is for king. Well done. Tap the picture that starts with letter Z. Z is for zebra. Z is for zip. Well done. Tap the picture that starts with letter E. E is for egg. E is for elephant. Well done. Tap the picture that starts with letter A. A is for apple. A is for ant. Well done. Tap the picture that starts with letter X. X is for X-ray. X is for xylophone. Well done. Tap the picture that starts with letter H. H is for helicopter. H is for horse. Well done. Tap the picture that starts with letter Q. Q is for quail. Q is for queen. Well done. Tap the picture that starts with letter R. R is for rocket. R is for